Yo guys, it's time to look again into Solana SOL for the token. We have been talking about it on the 16th of September, and I was showing you that we had a clear view on a possible trend going down to the Kijun daily before it rebound and go into a run up to our Tenkan daily. So now we are into the Tenkan daily, almost there. You can see we went a bit lower than our Kijun daily here. So we had some margin. It went exactly here, and this is matching with our Kijun daily resistance here. So you could have catch the downtrend up to here, or at least here, because you could have used a trailing stop, use a trailing stop method manually, or if you are in a future option contract, you can actually activate it. But basically, you could have put a stop loss as soon as we were going away, touching this resistance. You could put a stop loss here at 137.48. Then you will have cash out at this price instead of 141. However, anyway, we got above now. We had a clear impulsion here on our Tenkan 4 hours. So what is interesting to see here is we've been testing 3 times. You see, we tested 3 times the Kijun 4 hour, the Tenkan, sorry. So we go 1 time, 2 time, and then 3rd time. Finally, we don't reject the uptrend. We keep going on our bullish trend, and we have a candle that go touch our Kijun, and this creates an impulsion and go even higher. So now we are going to touch this Tenkan daily, and then from this time now we have to watch to see if we're going to test it or not. So the result can come fairly quickly, you know. If we see that we're going to touch it once, the next candle in 4 hours is not even touching it, then we can expect that we are going to go back into a downtrend, at least down to our Kijun 4 hours here, because the next level of resistance for us now is going to be the Kijun 4 hours. That's where we want to test. So we are in a very low volume time. Like there is not a lot of volume, a bit more earlier, but yeah, we are kind of. It's a weekend, so things are not really. People are not really into it. However, we still can see this go down to the Kijun 4 hours. So you watch out and see if we are going to test this Tenkan daily or not. It seems like we tried already and without touching it, because look, I've got this 1, 2, and 3 times. So that might be the last one, if this one is considered like a testing, but it's not too close though. So maybe this one and this one 2 times, a 3rd time and goodbye, but it could be only 2 times. So you have to be careful and see what the next candle going to do. If we are under this Tenkan 1 hour, then we know we're going into a downtrend, and we will go touch at least this Kijun 1 hour or Kijun 4 hours. So you follow the downtrend. What you can do once it go lower and lower and lower, put a stop loss. Once we touch here, this level 158, put your stop loss at the level of your Kijun, so at 161. And once we go and touch this level here, you see this SSB of the cloud, then put lower down your stop loss to this SSA here at 158. And once we go as down as the Kijun 1 hour, lower down your take profit, your stop loss, sorry, here at the 154. Okay, that's how you do to move your stop loss through the Ichimoku cloud. That give you a clear vision of where are the resistance. And anyway, if it finally goes up and you hit your stop loss, you cash out. You made your benefits already, so you don't have to worry about it. No feelings, guy. No hard feeling, and no feeling at all in trading. So yeah, that's it about Solana. Now, if it keeps going up quickly, because the video is already more than 3 minutes, but if it goes above this Tenkan daily, we test it, and finally, okay, we activate the uptrend from this Tenkan daily, then our take profit, we got one first here at 172, and then here at 175. Okay, that's how we go from my 1 hour time frame. But on a daily, I might see another one. So let's have a look. If we touch, yeah, it's gonna be here 172 here, right here on this one here, which I said just earlier, and it match with, so our daily. Let's go back on the 1 hour, and where it touches here, yeah, it touched also our Tenkan. But that's my daily, sorry. My bad. It's because we can see the daily time frame, every time frame here on the same graphic. So good to see that again, because I remember you guys can use the MTF like I do, and you can see your higher elements of the Ichimoku cloud from higher time frames. So 10 daily, you see, I can see it. So you can see your take profit, yeah, also if it goes on a bullish trend. So yeah, that's it for the moment. You guys like, comment, and subscribe if you want. I will cover up a bit more and follow up on this one, because Solana is pretty interesting. We saw it go crazy, and now people worrying where I can make money. Is it going to go bullish, bearish, So don't worry too much. Look at the Ichimoku cloud and everything gonna be fine. I see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.